Are you looking for the best possible way to promote your projects, increase engagements, skyrocket your conversion rates, and boost your profits? Well, this clearly means you are looking for a kick-ass whiteboard animation service. And hey, it seems your lucky star is shining bright because you just landed at the right place. We are Expily, a team specializing in creating the best animation explainer videos for any of the projects. With so many years of experience in video creating, we can assure you get the best quality video with voiceovers, sound effects, background musics, quick deliveries and more at super reasonable price. Furthermore, we can also work according to your preferences on adding customized logos, beautiful border frames, choosing hands and objects and more. So, what are you waiting for? Get your whiteboard animation video now